Good morning, students. I am revising few questions of AP which I find are good questions, and you can get a good practice of these important questions also. Let us see them. If fifth term of AP is 3 times the first term, prove that the seventh term is twice the third term. Let A is the first term, D is the common difference of an AP, and fifth term A5 is 3 times first term A. A is the first term, A5 is the fifth term. A5 is A plus 5 minus 1D, it is equal to 3A. A plus 4D equals 3A. So A you take on the other side, 3A minus 2A, 3A minus A becomes 2A. 4D is equal to 2A and A becomes 2D. What is A7? Seventh term is twice third term. Alright, A7 is A plus 7 minus 1D, that is A plus 6D. Then A, it is twice the third term. What is the third term? Third term is A plus 3 minus 1D. Now in both these equations, we know that A is equal to 2D. So in place of A, we are putting 2D. 2D plus 6D, 8D. 2D plus 2D, 4D. So A7 is twice A3. A7 is twice A3. So A7 is 8D, and that is equal to 2 into 4D. That is equal to twice A3. Twice A3. Again A3 is 2 into 4D. A7, 8D, A3, 4D, A7 is twice A3. This we have proved. This is to be proved. Thank you. Alright, this question you can copy down and do the complete question, but I am discussing the second part. You can see it is written most important in front of it. So we are doing the second part. According to the second part, in an AP given, see the second part, A is 8, AN is 62, SN is 210. Find N and D. We have to find N and D. How to do this? Please see. A is 8, AN is 62, and SN is 210. We have to find N and D. How to do? AN is A plus N minus 1D, and the value of AN is 62. A is 8, put the value of A 8. What do we get? N minus 1D is 62 minus 8, 54. What is SN? N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. Now, in place of N minus 1D, we put 54. In place of 2A, 2 into 8. That is N upon 2, 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 54 is 70. 70, and this is 210. So N upon 2 into 70 is 210. So what is N? 210 into 2, cross multiply, divide by 70, 7 3s are 21, 70 3s are 210, and 3 2s are 6 is the correct answer for the value of N. We have the relation N minus 1D is equal to 54. So in place of N, we are equating 6. You can see 6 minus 1D is 54. 6 minus 1 is 5. So D is 54 upon 5. So N is 6 and D is 54 upon 5 according to this question. There is a fifth part. L is 25, L is 28, Sn is 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A. Again, L is 28, Sn is 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A. This is in NCERT and this is also most important question. Let us see how it is done. L is 28, Sn 144, and there are total 9 terms. We use this formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 A plus L. What should be the value of Sn? 144. What should be the value of n? 9. What should be the value of L? 28. Let us equate these values. We get 144 is equal to 9 upon 2 A plus 28, and we get A plus 28 is equal to cross multiply, 2 goes up and 9 divided by 9. 16 nines are 144, or 144 divided by 9 is 16. 16 twos are 32. A plus 28 comes out equal to 32. So the value of A will be 32 minus 28, that is equal to 4. Hence answer is A equals to. There is another most important question. You can see it is written most important. The first and the last term of an AP are minus 4 and 146, and the sum of AP is 7171. Find the number of terms in the AP and the common difference also. A is given minus 4, An last term, A is the first term minus 4, An is the last term 146. Formula for An we know, A plus n minus 1D, that is equal to 146. We put the value of A is equal to minus 4. Then minus 4 plus n minus 1D is equal to 146. So value of n minus 1D is 146. Minus 4 goes on right hand side. It becomes 146 plus 4, 150. Now we know that sum of AP is 7171. Now we have to use the formula of sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. In place of Sn we are equating 7171. In place of n we are equating n. In place of 2a, 2 into minus 4. In place of n minus 1d, we have found out n minus 1d is 150. You can see it over here. N minus 1d we found out 150. A is minus 4 and sum is 7171. N upon 2, 2 into minus 4 plus 150 is equal to 2 4s are 8. N upon 2 minus 8 plus 150 is 142. 142 upon 2, this is 71. You can do like this also, or cross multiply. 7171, 2 upon 42. 2 and 142 cancel out. 71, 71 ones are 71, 0, 1. So answer is n is equal to 101. Now we have n minus 1d is equal to 150. So in place of n we are putting 101. 101 minus 1 into d is 150. 100d is equal to 150. D is equal to 150 divided by 100, that is equal to 1.5. Now another question which is most important. Now students, I am giving you those questions which are most important for AP, and if you do these questions you will be in a benefit that you might find some of these questions appearing in examination also. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of n terms. We are having A is the first term, D is the common difference of AP, very well know, and use of the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. The first thing is sum of 7 terms. Sum of 7 terms is n is equal to 7, 7 upon 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1d. This becomes 49. Sum of 7 terms of AP is 49. So S7 is 49. 7 upon 2. This is 2a plus 6d. 2 is taken out common and this 2 is cancelled out. This becomes 7a plus 7 in bracket a plus 3d. 2 is taken out and cancelled with the 2 in the denominator. So we are having 7a plus 3d. This gives us 7. 49 is divided by 7. So a plus 3d is equal to 7 is the first simple relation we are getting in A and D. Similarly, we know that sum of 17 terms. What is sum of 17 terms? S17 is 17 upon 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1d. In place of n, we are putting 17 upon 2. Again, 2a and 17 minus 1 is 16. 2 will be taken out common and this 2 will be cancelled out. Sum of 17 terms is given 289. So sum of 17 terms is 289. 17 is taken out common. 289 is divisible by 17. So we get a plus 8d is equal to 17. Now we can solve these two equations, keep it one under the other, change the sign, and we get 5d. If you subtract from the second equation the a plus 3d, a and a cancel out, 8d minus 3d is 5d, 17 minus 7 is 10, 5d is equal to 10, d is equal to 10 divided by 2, d is equal to 2. So in a plus 3d is how much? 7. In place of d we are putting 2. A plus 3 into 2 is 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. A is equal to 1 and n minus 1, d is equal to 2. So what is Sn? Sn is n upon 2, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Let's multiply 2 inside this. So what do we get? 2n minus 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. There is a 2 outside also. So this will divide the 2 which will be left, that is 2n. We will be left with n into n, that is n square. Sum of n terms is coming n square. Another question which is also important, and you will find such questions coming in examination. Very recently in class 10th exam we found a parallel question coming in the board exam also. Find the sum of multiples of 9 lying between 300 and 700. We have discussed such question earlier also, but these questions, they come off and on, so let us practice them as much as possible. So we are considering it important question and doing it. Multiples of 9 lying between 300. We know 300 is not divisible by 1. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306. You will find out that 306 is divisible by 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 and 6 is 9 4s are 36, divisible by 9. And number divisible less 700 is not divisible by 9. 699, then 698. You will find 693 is divisible by 9. 9 7s are 63. Again 663. 9 7s are 63. So the numbers which are divisible by 9 are 306 plus 9, 315 plus 9, 324. This is an AP. The first term is 309, 306. Common difference is 9. Last term is 639. We need to find out the sum. L is equal to a plus n minus 1d. 639 is equal to 306 plus n minus 1 into 9. We need to find out how many numbers divisible by 9 are there, including 306 to 693. This is the last term, this is the first term. Common difference is 9. An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. In place of an we put 693, in place of a 306, in place of d 9. What do we get? From 693 we subtract 306, we get 387. Divided by 9, then the n minus 1 is going to come 43. So n is going to come 43 plus 1, 44. Now we can find out the sum. Sum of 44 terms is 44 upon 2, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. That is 2 into 306, 44 minus 1 into 9. This comes out to be 44 upon 2 is 22. 2 into 306, 612, and 43 into 9 is 387. We have just done this. And 387 and 612, this becomes 999 multiplied by 22, that is 22. 999 is 21978. Students, I am giving you few questions for practice in PDF format. Kindly practice these questions. Try to do these questions in your copy. Practice as many as questions possible. See the board questions coming in examinations and in the examination up till now from AP. Practice them and be prepared. Thank you very much.